Hey guys, so I just wanted to talk about Flipgrid, which is an awesome platform for distance learning. You basically get to make a prompt and students answer with a video. So once you log in and make an account, you can label your grid. So you can do a grid for every class. Label it how you want. Because of privacy settings, most schools require that you use their school emails to log in. When you click this feature, you have to put at and then the end of their school email. So like at lynn.k12.ma.us, for example. But usually actually it's at students dot whatever their school name is. Okay. This flip code will be the code that you give your students. Oops. This one will be completely public. I'm just going to do it for the sake of this. So it just gives you a note here that anyone can view this. So you can also add a password if you'd like. So enter password. Okay, good. Must contain two of the following, upper, lower. Okay, there we go. Password meets criteria. That's cool. That way you can make a public one, have it be somewhat private. Now you can send people this link to go to your grid, or you can go to your grid and right here is the code in case you ever forget and need to send it. Okay, they make a Flipgrid already, but you can create a new topic. So you can add a question, a prompt. They're only 1,000 words. You can time it however you want. So you can give them 15 seconds if it's a really quick activity. If it's a presentation, you can maybe give them 5 or 10 minutes, depending on what you want to use it for. Your prompt can also be a video that you record on your own computer, and you can upload it. It can be a video that you record right here. Once you click this, a video will pop up. Hi. And you can record it that way. You can also include a YouTube video or an image to get them started. Go ahead and scroll down, click on more options. This is where you can be the moderator and turn off whether or not the students can see everyone else's video. You can also turn on and off student replies, selfies, videos. You can allow students to like each other's videos. That's pretty cool. I always encourage positive feedback since this can be intimidating for some kids to appear on their video. You can add, so I add custom criteria. You can create custom criteria. They give you two to begin with if you did basic feedback, ideas, and performance. Okay, or you can add custom criteria by going here. When you add the criteria, you can make it out of however many points you choose, 0 to 100. So we can just stick with basic for this one. Create the topic. Whoops. Please find and address any fields in red. Oh, so tell me about your favorite animal. For example, this is a really simple prompt, but it could be something much more complex about a book you're reading. Okay, you can give this link to your students, or when they log on to period 1, or whatever your title is for your class grid, they will see, let's click on it and see, 2 grids, the one that came with the Flipgrid and then the one we just made. If you had a video or an image, it would appear here. They'd be able to watch it. And, okay, whoops, I clicked back. So if you had a video or picture, they'd be able to see that here. If there was a video, there'd be a play button here, and you can click play to watch it. Here is where your prompt will show up. So remember, for this, you only had 1,000 characters, okay, to tell them what to do. That'll show up right here. If you need more time or to tell them what to do, I would suggest uploading a video, okay? And then it gives them the opportunity to record a response. So what's cool about this, hello. Okay, so what's cool is that it gives you options to have stickers. So sometimes kids who are shy will put stickers around their face. I usually say this is okay. For some things where I want to know that they're not reading off of their worksheet or something, I ask that they don't put stickers over their eyes. There are also filters, so another shy kid might do something like this, where they blur themselves. It's a little less intimidating, but again, it depends on what your assignment is. So they can record their video. It gives them a 3, 2, 1 prompt. My favorite animal is a dolphin because they're super, super smart and they're beautiful and graceful. Okay, so you can pause it and continue to record. I'm going to continue to record. Okay, or you could just click next when you're done. It plays it back for you to make sure you're okay with it. You can add more, or you could exit out. So like I said, you could add more. There's a button here in the last place that said add more, or you could exit out to restart. Click next, and then they'll ask for a selfie, so you can turn off the filter. You can use a different filter. Okay, and you have a selfie, and then you can use different stickers. Once again, they have a couple different categories of stickers. So if you're a science teacher, maybe you could put something like that. If you want to put more of a fanciful creature, I just clicked on one, took a little bit, okay? And then this would be my video. This is what's going to pop up for everyone else to see and click on. Okay, so then you could, whatever you want your title to be for your response. So they usually just say, favorite animal response or something like that, whatever you made your prompt called. Then you submit the video. Oops. Congrats, complete. Now, you as a teacher can go in and make this video hidden or active. You can actually share the video with another class if you wanted to. Mixtapes allows you to highlight certain videos you think are really star examples of a prompt you were looking for, prompt response. You can duplicate this response. So if I put a funny response in here and I want to duplicate it in another class, I can do that. Okay? Then, if I want to reply to the video, I just click here and reply. To grade the video, remember our criteria that we had for ideas and performance? We used a 0 through 5 scale, and you can type personalized feedback. And then you can email the feedback to the student. Once it's typed in, it'll give you an option, a blue option to email the feedback. You can also copy feedback to give it to multiple people. You can also like the video by clicking here. To make it, this one will add it to the mixtape. This one will add feature the response, and so it goes up to the top. And this one will spark the video. So if we feature the response, and there are, say, 10 videos, mine would go up at the top as the featured response in case kids want an example. So maybe you have one of those students who likes to speak a lot. They take a lot of pride from being in front of the class. That would be a great video for them. Okay, so that's all.